Hello, welcome to Autism Takes On, and today we're going to make some Italian bread pizza. Now, here are our ingredients. Here's our Italian bread. They might be thinking, well, why do we have pasta sauce? Where's the pizza sauce? Well, they're almost the same. And spaghetti sauce is cheaper, so that's why we have the pasta sauce and not the pizza sauce. Why spend more money when you can pay less for something that's almost the same? Here we have our cheese, giant pizza blend. You can also use mozzarella or Parmesan, pretty much any cheese you like. I have another bag here because this one is almost empty. And here we have our ham. Really, you can put anything on your pizza that you want. These are ham cubes. You can also use diced ham. I've tried that, so I find the ham cubes to be more tasteable. Now, the first thing you want to do, go to your oven. Set it for 400 degrees. Let that preheat right there. And you want to do it first before you do anything else, so it has enough time to preheat. And we'll take our bread here. And we'll cut half of this. Then we'll save that other half for later. Then we'll stick it on its end. Slice it in half again. Now, get out our baking sheet, some parchment paper, and there you go. And we'll put on the sauce. Now, the reason I'm using Italian bread is it doesn't really have a lot of holes in it. As you can see, the holes are very small. You want a bread that has very small holes. That way, you don't need to use as much sauce because obviously the sauce will fall in the hole. Now, you want to put, if you measured it right, about 2.5 tablespoons of pizza sauce on each slice. I'm saying about because size of loaves vary. If you're from Europe watching this, everything is bigger in America, so I wouldn't be surprised if your loaves were a lot smaller. Scooping out the tomatoes there. I'm making a ham pizza, not tomato pizza. It also disrupts the flat surface. And now we'll put on our ham. I know you're confused as why I'm putting the ham on first, but I'll tell you later. For your ham, it's always good to have a resealable container on ham so you can store the rest in a freezer for later. If you're using frozen ham, I usually put it in the microwave for about 44 seconds before I put it on the pizza. Or you can just let it defrost in the refrigerator. That works too. Now we put on our ham. Now we put on our cheese. As for why the cheese lasts, as you see, I'm covering up the ham. That way when the cheese melts, it will provide an anchor and hold the ham in place. If I were to put the ham last, there's a chance that it could fall off the pizza as I'm taking it out. And obviously no one likes a cheese pizza when they ordered a ham pizza. Now we put it in the oven. Put it in for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And now we wait. We're taking it out of the oven. The cheese anchor did its job, and once it cools down, you take it off, put it on your plate, and then dig in. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.